Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying your device and account so you don't hit walls later. Check the 3DS firmware and update through system settings if an official update is available. This preserves compatibility with the eShop. Make sure your SD card is formatted FAT32 and has at least 1 GB free for any downloads and save data. Sign in to the Nintendo account tied to the console and confirm purchase history. Once done, you'll be ready to access official Virtual Console options or transfer purchases. You now move into the eShop to retrieve Virtual Console content legally. Open the Nintendo eShop app, sign in, and use the search or the account purchase history to find Virtual Console titles you previously bought. Nintendo often allows redownloads tied to your account. If a title is available, choose Download or Redownload and monitor the progress on the home menu. Saves will appear on the SD card. If a title isn't listed, make sure you're on the same Nintendo account and region as the original purchase, so the store shows compatible content. You finish by handling transfers or alternatives so you can actually play those Virtual Console games. If you're moving content to another 3DS, use the official system transfer tool to migrate your Nintendo account and purchases. This preserves redownload rights. If a specific VC title is delisted, look for licensed re-releases on current Nintendo platforms as a legal option. If something goes wrong, first verify your Nintendo account region and purchase history. Mismatched regions or a different account are the most common causes of missing Virtual Console content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.